day awake, being someone's child. From the day of my birth, your worth will always make me smile. The opportunity to be achieved, believe in the existence of me, is one of the lines that defines the price of one so lovely. And that's priceless, by the way. The years go by celebrating my chances to bring a song to sing, a melody unlike any other. It's the sound of love from my mother. Powerful curse breaker, you are to me. You are to me. Incubator, revelator of who I'm meant to be. Way show a hope grower in those times of need. A love from above facilitating my destiny. My reply to the reason why I'm royally comely, a melody unlike any other. It's the sound of love from my mother. To the day I fly away to see my king, my heart will sing.